What does a contested custody case look like in Tulsa, Oklahoma? Hi, my name is Carl Burkhead. I'm an attorney with Worth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for almost 8 years now, and I want to help you make law easy by just talking a little bit about what a contested custody case looks like and kind of what you're in for if you're about to begin this process. So in Tulsa, whether it's a contested divorce with minor children or a custody case without a divorce, you're always going to start in the same place. It's the Parenting Plan Conference, or the PPC. Every single case that's opened up that involves children starts here. This is where a judge is going to take the bench, give you a little bit of a speech about what to expect moving forward, and you're going to have to watch a couple of videos about how to co-parent while the case is progressing. Now, from there, assuming that you don't work out an agreement for a temporary order, there you're going to ask for a referral down to who your actual family law judge is going to be for a temporary orders hearing. Once you get that referral in place, the hearing is usually going to be, 30-ish days out from your PPC date, maybe a little bit longer depending on the judge's docket. At that hearing, for your TO hearing, you're probably not going to be able to put on a full-on hearing with evidence and witnesses and all of that. The dockets are so slammed to where you're probably going to be putting on a proffer, which is essentially your attorney going up and saying, hey, this is what the evidence would show if we were able to put on a full hearing. Very limited evidence is introduced. There's no testimony introduced, and both sides usually only get like 15 to 30 minutes to present their case. Now, from that point, you're going to be looking at mediation and also scheduling. What this means is that you're going to be entering in a scheduling order to try to figure out what your deadlines are going to be moving forward. But the court is also going to order you to go to mediation to try to resolve the case outside of having to litigate. Leading up to mediation, you're going to be doing discovery, which is how you get information and evidence from the other side to help build your case, and hopefully give you the opportunity to go to show up to mediation fully informed, knowing what trial is going to look like as far as the evidence goes, so that you're in a better position to negotiate a settlement. Now, if mediation doesn't work, then you're in for some hard roads because, one, you got to hope that discovery is fully complete. Otherwise, there's going to be some motion hearings for incomplete discovery. Two, you need to be fully getting ready for trial. That means getting all of your witnesses lined up and ready to go, getting all of your exhibits lined up and organized and ready to go. Your lawyer is going to be doing most of this, but you still need to give your lawyer the raw material, like give them the contact info for the witnesses, give them the evidence for them to organize, give them everything that they need so that way once they get to a pretrial, they can say, hey, judge, we're ready for trial, give us a date, and then you're off to the races. If you have questions about this, and this is a very, very, very condensed Cliff Notes overview of what the anatomy of one of these cases looks like. So if you have questions about this, or if you're looking at starting this process, give me a call. I want to make sure that we can sit down, go over everything, and get you set up to be in the best position possible to help you get your kids. My name is Carl Burkhead. I'm an attorney with Worth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy. Thank you.